Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs hatch faster. To begin, focus on creating the ideal environment for your eggs. Consistent temperature and humidity are crucial for healthy embryonic development. You'll also need to turn the eggs regularly to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell. By following these simple steps, you can significantly improve your hatching success rates and potentially speed up the process slightly. Let's dive into the specifics. Achieving the right temperature and humidity is key. For most poultry, aim for a steady 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit inside your incubator. Humidity should generally be kept between 50% and 60% for the majority of the incubation period. However, during the final 3 days, often called lockdown, increase the humidity to 65% or even 70% to help chicks emerge from their shells more easily. Proper turning is vital for even development. Turn your eggs an odd number of times each day, such as 3 or 5, to prevent the embryo from settling in one spot. Stop turning the eggs completely 3 days before they are due to hatch. Additionally, ensure your incubator has good ventilation. Fresh air is essential for the developing embryos, providing them with the oxygen they need to thrive. To monitor progress, candle your eggs after 7 to 10 days to check for fertility and development. During the final lockdown period, resist the urge to open the incubator frequently, as this can cause temperature and humidity fluctuations. Finally, have a warm brooder ready with a heat source, like a heat lamp, and fresh water for your newly hatched chicks. This ensures a smooth transition for them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.